Youth Exchange Program is a country-to-country exchange of cadets belonging to NCC youth organizations of friendly countries and a dream for numerous cadets all over the nation. There are 12 countries involved inclusive of India, and I went for Singapore delegation. International Cadet Exchange Program ICEP Singapore 2019 was one adventurous and extravagant experience pervaded with venturesome and darefull activities. The hosting country, that is Singapore, invited 6 friendly countries consisting of Brunei, India, Hong Kong, Nepal, United States of America and United Kingdom, comprising of its passionate young cadets. The journey begins with the pre-YP camp in Delhi, which composed of knitting of the cadets with the necessary accoutrements along with preparation of the cultural performance to be presented in Singapore, portraying a diverse culture and varied dance forms. A ramp walk show was also organized to unravel the traditional and regional outfits of the cadets assembled from all over India. And here comes the ICEP 2019 journey, where we were accommodated in an absolute army location, that is An Mo Kio Street 66, Singapore. It was an epitome of a resolute army-based residential den where the buildings and stadiums were beyond definition. Highlighting the schedule of the 10-day ICEP camp, it could only be defined with the word magnificent. The activities range from strong physical training, flying fox, motivational obstacle course, rappelling wall, archery to water adventure sports, that is dragon boating, kayaking, water polo, swimming rally, etc. All of these were conducted at platoon level, each platoon consisting of 4 to 5 cadets of each country, which made these activities more enjoyable and accomplishable. Indeed, we were differentiated on the grounds of uniform and country, but NCC united us all. Talking about Singapore, and not to mention its science beauty, wouldn't complete the country's tour. The man-made sites have one word: marvelous. From the beautiful sound and light show of the charming gardens by the bay to the UNESCO World Heritage Site National Orchid Botanical Garden. Grand Sultan Mosque of Arab Street to the most delish Indian cuisine of the Little India. Tall skyscrapers of Orchard Road to the Chinese culture and heritage bearing Chinatown. Lastly, the lovely Palawan beaches of Sentosa Island. How can I forget the world's greatest and most beautiful airports, the Jewel Changi Airport, flaunting away its only man-made waterfall inside the airport in the world. All of these sites were highly appealing and exciting for all of us. Luck and fortune goes hand in hand, rightly said. How lucky we got to have met the Honorable Defence Minister of India, Shri Rajnath Singh, who showed up in Singapore and came to interact with the NCC India delegates. I also got the opportunity to be his pilot and escort him to the location for the wreath-laying ceremony, and the experience was beyond words. He came to the Indian National Army Memorial to meet the only Indian veteran present there, aged 95 years, Maj Ishwar Lal, and to pay homage to the martyrs at the Karachi War Memorial, Singapore. Apart from all the fun and joyfulness, the values I inculcated of this international camp is that even if we are divided on the basis of overseas boundaries, we are united by the sole idea of nation building and service. Everlasting bond that we share with the other cadets globally is worth cherishing. Ample amount of hard work and compassion we got to see of all our fellow mates is beyond description. The most endearing part of the camp was to see the endless sense of belongingness that overcomes the geographical barriers. Howsoever, we lived together for a few days, but the friendship will stay forever. This is where we as cadets got to learn how location barriers can be superseded by the never-ending love, care, support and concern for others who are complete strangers sometime before, with different ethnicities and beliefs, but with the same aim of nation building with world peace. I would like to thank National Cadet Corps India for granting me this golden and spectacular opportunity to represent our nation as the Indian Youth Ambassador and giving wings to my dreams. I am also thankful to the Director General NCC, the officer in charges, the coordinating staff, and my dearest and beloved fellow Indian delegates, without whom this journey wouldn't have been half as joyous, wonderful, and memorable as it was. I would conclude by quoting Greg S. Reid, "A dream written down with a date becomes a goal. A goal broken down into steps becomes a plan. A plan backed by action makes your dreams come true." Thank you. In the words of Senior Under Officer Aditi Verma. There will be obstacles, there will be doubters, there will be mistakes, but with hard work, there are no limits.